Hey, I'm Avyan. Welcome to another video of Playroom Learnings with Avyan. I hope you enjoy your summer because this summer I'm having a blast. Today we are going to do an experiment called colored rain. Yes, you heard that right. It's going to rain in my playroom. Colored rain. So let's get started. For this experiment, you'll need oil, food coloring, a glass of water. We are going to put some food coloring into the oil. I'll start with green. Green, red, purple. Blue. You see the tiny drops of food coloring in the oil? The food coloring doesn't mix with oil. It just freezes in oil. Now I'm going to pour this mixture into this glass of water. Look, it's all blue water. And from the middle, it's green water. And look, the food colors coming down, down, down. Slowly, 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 slowly. Rainy. That's not food coloring, it's rain. Color rain. Look, all colors mix, 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 mix a mixer. The oil is less dense, so it floats. The food coloring is more dense, so it sinks. The color rain video. I hope you enjoyed too. Thanks for watching. Try this at home and see you in the next video of Playroom Learnings with Avyan. Bye.